Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater, caps, muffler and baby blanket. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 2. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 16 stitches on my needle. 16 stitches multiple of 2, 8 times multiple of 2 is equal to 16. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern SSK and knit together from back loop, slip, slip and knit together from back loop. That's a repeat SSK, and here we decrease one stitch which we increase in our next row. So again we repeat this pattern SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop, slip, slip and knit from back loop, 3, slip, slip and knit from back loop, 4, slip, slip and knit from back loop, 5, slip, slip and knit from back loop, 6, slip, slip and knit from back loop, 7. Here we complete 7 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1. Now make an extra stitch from this loop, pick this loop and knit this loop and make an extra stitch. That's a repeat. Knit 1 and make an extra stitch. Again here we have 2 stitches. Now again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have till the end of row? Knit 1, make an extra stitch, pick this loop and knit this loop and make an extra stitch. Again third time, knit 1, pick this loop and knit this, 3, knit 1, make an extra stitch, 4, knit 1, make an extra stitch, 5, knit 1, make an extra stitch, 6, knit 1, make an extra stitch, 7. Here we complete 7 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side, purl these all stitches. all edge from wrong side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1, 2, 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. And if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.